Hello and welcome to My Man the Maker's motorcycle channel. Today we're going to do something kind of easy. We're just going to remove the chrome from the back of Easy Rider. That would be the trim along the back bumper and the shock absorber. Try to reduce the rust as much as possible. Might take the chain guard off too. I've put WD-40 on everything already, and we're just trying to get some before pictures of what this condition of these parts look like, so that when I'm done polishing them and I put them back on, we have some kind of basis of comparison. I might also wash that back bumper and the lights and everything, and just try to get the rear of this motorcycle cleaner. So I have something to show for today. That's the basic idea for this afternoon. Here's the second shock. As you can see, it's in really bad shape, corroded, rusty. So we're going to clean it up, and I'll give you a look at what it's like just after you use a steel brush to clean the big stuff off, and then a little moto-tool with a steel brush attachment to go after all the little stuff. Here we go. And here's what the shock looks like after a little bit of tender loving care. Of course, not perfect, but much better shape than it was looking at, like, say, 30 minutes ago before it got cleaned up. And all that took was a steel brush and a bit of a attention from the motor tool over there. Steel brush is hiding down below all that scrap paper. And overall, I'm pretty pleased with the results, and we'll see how that looks in the long term on the bike. Here we go. I managed to do both of them, looking a little better now. Just a little care and attention with the wire brush. Took them off. I think eventually they're going to have to be replaced, but for now, looking okay. Much nicer than before, and it's encouraging because that means I can do basically the same thing to the rest of the bike and straighten it out.